Today we're answering a popular question. Can you play FC Mobile with a controller on your iPhone? If you're looking to enhance your gaming experience, stick around as we break it down. First things first, let's talk about compatibility. FC Mobile does support control input, but not all controllers will work seamlessly. Make sure your controller is compatible with iOS devices. Most Bluetooth controllers like the Xbox Series X controller and PlayStation DualSense should work. To get started, you'll need to connect your controller to your iPhone. Here's how. Make sure your controller is charged. Put your controller in pairing mode. This usually involves holding the pairing button. On your iPhone, go to settings, then on Bluetooth and turn it on. Look for controller in the list of devices and tap to control. Once the controller is connected, launch FC Mobile. This game should automatically recognize the controller. You can navigate menus and gameplay using the controller buttons. If you want to customize your controllers, go to the settings within FC Mobile. You can often adjust the control layout to suit your preferences. And that's it. You can definitely play FC Mobile with a controller in your iPhone.